Hello and welcome to Seeka University. In this video, we are going to cover My Account in Practice Optimizer. Let's start by logging in to Practice Optimizer. Click on the gear icon in the upper right corner of your homepage. This will open the Settings drop-down menu. Click on My Account, which is first. Selecting My Account will open the My Account window. On the left side of the My Account window, you have 8 different sections. These will allow you to review your account details, manage users, review and modify your email reports, access your services, manage practices, refresh your data, modify your Patients Now settings, and access your security. By default, the first section is Account Details. Here you will see the information that was provided when your account was created. If you need to update any information, click the Edit button at the bottom of the window. Here you can update your primary contact information. Once you have updated your information, click Save to save your changes, or click Cancel to exit the screen without saving your changes. You can also change your user ID. Click on Change User ID, enter your current user ID, your new user ID, and confirm your new user ID. Click the Change button to save your changes or cancel to exit the screen without saving your changes. You can also change your login password. Click on Change Password, enter your current password, your new password, and confirm your new password. Click the Change button to save your changes or cancel to exit the screen without saving your changes. Lastly, you can regenerate your Practice Progress Report data, or PPR for short. Click Regenerate PPR Data, enter your password, or click Confirm or click Cancel to exit this screen without regenerating your PPR data. On the left side of the window, the next section gives us the ability to manage users. After clicking on Manage Users, a list of current users is displayed. From here, you have the ability to add new users, change access, edit, and remove existing users. To add a user, click on Add User in the top right corner. Enter the new user's contact information, email, and password. Click Save to add the new user or cancel to exit this screen without saving your changes. To the right of a user's information, you will see 3 options: Access, Edit, and Remove. To change access for an existing user, click on Access in line with the user's name. Then select which practices you would like the user to have access to. Click Save to update the access settings or click Cancel to exit this screen without saving your changes. To edit an existing user, click on Edit in line with the user's name. From here, change or update the user information as needed. Click Save to save the new information or click Cancel to exit this screen without saving your changes. To remove an existing user, click on Remove in line with the user's name. Click Yes to confirm the removal or No to exit this screen. Next, you can manage your email reports. Click on Manage Email Reports on the left side of the My Accounts window. From here, you can add or remove email accounts as well as change what types of reports are sent. To add an email address, click on Add an Email in the top right corner. Enter the new email address and then select which reports you would like that email address to receive. Click Next. From here, you can select the interval the email address receives the report, as well as when to receive the report, the date range for the report, and finally, the format in which you would like the report sent. Click Save to save the new email address or Cancel to exit this screen. Towards the top of the window, you will see all the current email addresses. To the right of each email address, you will see 3 options: Edit, Key, and Remove. To edit an email, click on Edit in line with the email address you'd like to edit. From here, you can select the interval the email address receives the report, as well as when to receive the report, the date range for the report, and finally, the format in which you would like the report sent. Click Save to save the new information, or click Cancel to exit this screen without saving your changes. Clicking on Key to the right of an email address gives you the ability to set a password for the reports being sent to the email. Click OK to save the password or Cancel to exit this screen without enabling a password. To remove an email address, click on Remove in line with the email address you'd like to remove. Click Yes to confirm the removal or No to exit this screen. In the lower portion of the window, you will see which reports are assigned to an email address. Click Add a report to add additional reports. Select which reports you'd like to add to the email address. Click Next. From here, you can select the interval the email address receives the report, as well as when to receive the report, the date range for the report, and finally, the format in which you would like the report sent. Click Save to save the new report or Cancel to return to the previous screen. To remove a report, click on Remove in line with the report you'd like to remove. Click Yes to confirm the removal or No to exit this screen. At the very bottom of the window is a button for Send Now. This will manually send all assigned reports to their corresponding email right now. Clicking Cancel will exit the My Account settings. Next on the left, we have My Services, which displays a list of all the Seeka apps. Each app displays the type of payment plan you are on, when your subscription expires, and the current status, as well as the ability to renew or suspend a service. To renew your subscription, click on Renew in line with the app you'd like to renew. On the next screen, enter your billing information. Click Save to renew or Cancel to exit the screen without saving your information. To suspend an app, click on Suspend in line with the app you'd like to suspend. Once again, returning to the left side of the screen, the next option down is Manage Practices. Manage Practices displays your practice key and in some versions allows you the ability to add additional practices. To add a practice, click Add a Practice in the top right corner. Enter the practice details and click the box to agree to this Seeka HIPAA agreement. Click Add a Practice to add or cancel to exit the screen without adding a practice. You also have the option to manually download Seeka Platform Utility, or SPU for short. This is the utility that plugs into your practice management system and allows Seeka to access the data needed to populate Practice Optimizer reports and statistics. Following down the options on the left side, the next is Refresh Details. Refresh Details displays your practice management system, the last time data was updated automatically, and your practice management system version. Typically, your data is automatically refreshed at approximately 2 a.m. local time, but you can manually refresh your data by clicking on Refresh Data. Returning to the left side of the window, next is Patients Now Settings. Patients Now Settings allows you to enter an email ID which is used for Patients Now functionality in Practice Optimizer. The doctor can use this email ID for patient communications through Practice Optimizer. First, select which practice you are using Patients Now for, then enter the email ID. Click Add. The last setting on the left is for security. Here you can update your IP address to maintain a secure data connection. This is best done with the help of your IT administrator and/or customer support. At the bottom, you can also enable two-step authentication by clicking the Enable box and selecting how authentication is to be received. Click Save to enable two-step authentication. This concludes our session for My Account Settings in Practice Optimizer.